In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoToMeeting. Whether you're joining a meeting, scheduling one, or just trying to connect it with your calendar for better organization, this tutorial will cover everything you need to know. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to GoToMeeting. Once there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to your meetings. On the dashboard, you'll see the Meetings section. This feature is crucial as it displays all your scheduled meetings along with their details and agendas. It's a great tool to keep your schedule organized and efficient. Make it a habit to regularly check this section to stay on top of your upcoming engagements. Now, if you're looking to set up a new meeting, you'll want to tap on the Create button. This is your go-to feature for setting things up. Here, you get the option to either schedule a meeting for a future date or start one instantly. Fill in all the necessary details, such as the meeting time, participants, and any agenda points you want to cover. Once everything is set, tap Save for future meetings or Start if you're ready to begin right away. This flexibility ensures that GoToMeeting caters to both your planned and spontaneous needs. For those of you who integrate your personal or work calendars with GoToMeeting, you have the option to sync them. Simply tap on Connect Calendar and follow the prompts to choose your calendar service, be it Google, Outlook, or another. After syncing, double-check that your meetings appear in both GoToMeeting and your personal calendar. This integration is a lifesaver for managing your time more efficiently, ensuring you never miss a meeting. If you need to enter a session, tap on Join a Meeting. At this point, you'll be prompted to type in the meeting ID or name. Once entered, simply tap Join to access the meeting immediately. This straightforward process ensures you're seamlessly connected without any hassle. For those occasions when an unscheduled meeting is needed, GoToMeeting has a feature called Meet Anytime. By selecting this, you can either copy the meeting link to share with others or tap Start to launch the meeting instantly. Once you have your link, feel free to send it out to participants who need to join. This feature is perfect for impromptu collaboration without the need for scheduling in advance. And there you have it. With these tools and features, managing and joining meetings on GoToMeeting is made easy and efficient. Whether you're organizing your week or needing to spontaneously connect with colleagues, GoToMeeting provides the functionality you need to stay connected. Give these steps a try and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for tuning in and happy meeting.